Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best bed mattresses in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Linen Spa 12-inch Memory Hybrid Mattress. This mattress is a #1 bestseller on Amazon with over 117,000 reviews and a 4.5 rating, is highly rated by our tester panel and is a total steal at under $400 for a queen-size mattress. This hybrid mattress combines inner springs and foam and comes in 8-inch, 10-inch and 12-inch versions. For the plushest option, opt for the 12-inch, which has thicker memory foam on top. Dozens of testers told us it was well worth the price and setup was incredibly easy. One tester notes, opening the mattress took less than 5 minutes until I had it on the bed frame. Some testers noted it seemed a bit thin but had no major complaints. Affordable. Lightweight for easy setup. Good ratings from real users. Number 2. Our second best pick is Luxe Hybrid Mattress. As one of Puffy's most popular mattresses, the Luxe Hybrid is 12 inches thick and has 6 layers of foam for a medium plush feel. In addition to a soft feel, it also has targeted spinal alignment built into the mattress to eliminate pressure points, making it great for someone who also suffers from back pain. Multiple testers from our panel commented that this mattress is soft, supportive and helped with backaches and soreness. One tester said, "It's soft, and I love feeling like I'm sleeping on a cloud." The one downside is that users noted it tends to retain heat. Helps with backaches and soreness. Soft and supportive. Easy setup. Number 3. Our third best pick is Saatva Classic Mattress. If you're shopping for a soft mattress, you'll love the Saatva Classic in Plush Soft. Compared to Saatva's other styles, the Plush Soft has softer foam and extra padding in the pillow top, making it great for someone who likes a body-hugging feel or for side sleepers that need more contouring. Saatva consistently earns high scores from our consumer panel for comfort, support and overall sleep quality. We also love the great edge support for getting in and out of bed. Unlike other mattresses that come in a box that you have to set up yourself, Saatva offers free delivery, setup and old mattress removal. They also have a 180-night trial to make sure you love it, though there is a $99 pickup fee if you return it. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Layla Copper Infused Memory Foam Mattress. If you are unsure whether you want a soft or firm mattress, this unique Layla hybrid mattress gives you both. One side of the mattress has soft foam on top for a plush feel, with coils in the center for support. If you change your mind later and need a firmer mattress, you can simply flip the mattress over. The soft side of this mattress is ideal for side sleepers, and testers gave it high ratings for support. Some side sleepers specifically say it conforms nicely to your body. It's also infused with copper particles to help prevent overheating, though there were mixed reviews from panelists about whether the cooling effect works. Reversible design. Good support for side sleepers. Often goes on sale. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Casper Sleep Nova Hybrid Mattress. We love the Casper Nova Hybrid for side sleepers so much that we gave it a spot in our bedding awards. It has firm springs at the base, but the top layer is softer, making it plusher than other Casper models. What makes this mattress stand out is the ergonomic layout. It's contoured to provide more relief around the shoulders with added support around the lower back for proper spine alignment, which helps make it feel soft while still offering support. One of our testers praised this mattress saying, "As soon as I lie down on it, it feels like it's supporting my whole body." Overall, our panel has been pleased with Casper as a brand, but if for some reason you don't adore your Casper mattress, there's a free 100-day trial. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.